And so you might ask yourself, well, why, if Google cares so much about mobile and they're trying to monetize mobile and they're trying to improve everything on mobile, why did they back off on AMP? And I think that this is another important concept that I wish more SEOs understood, is that Google did AMP for a reason, and it's served its purpose. So in my eyes, Google did AMP and made all the webmasters connect a fast version of the page to a slow version of the same page. And what Google learned from that is what makes pages fast and what makes pages slow, and what can they automate in Chrome to speed up slow pages. And so what we're seeing now is Google shift away from talking about AMP and some of the things they were talking about, and talking about these new things called signed exchanges. And you can see in this Google write-up, you can see it says that both AMP and non-AMP results show in Google search may prefetch key resources such as HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and images and fonts. So this was part of AMP, the prefetching of assets. And now they're saying, well, you don't have to do AMP. They care about speed on desktop too. And maybe instead of pushing everyone towards AMP, they can just push everyone towards these signed exchanges. So this is, I think, where Google is going to be focusing a lot of their next energy. In getting people to get on board with signed exchanges. And this last quote is, while Google Search doesn't consider using signed exchanges, which is abbreviated SXG, doesn't consider using a signed exchange as a direct factor in ranking, the largest contentful paint may affect your rankings because page experience is a ranking factor. And so this again is hinting, and it's saying, well, it's not actually a ranking factor, but it may be a secondary ranking factor, because if you do this, you might rank better. So I think we'll see more and more of that kind of thing, where Google is using what it learned from AMP and from other projects, and applying that to incentivize the next thing that they want us to do.